If the pronunciation is wrong, please bear with me. Thank you. So let's get straight to the guide. Now, it's going to take you less than 2 minutes. First, you need to launch your Shein application, that is the Shein app, and get logged into your account. If you like to view all your orders, select Me section, and under it you see My Orders. Yes. So you will see various options so just select View All. Then you get to the page where you see all the orders that you have placed. Here's something you should know. If your order has already been shipped, there is no way that you can cancel it. But if it's under unpaid or processing, you will see your order. And you will also see remove or simply cancel here. So now all you have to do is cancel it. I repeat, if your order has already been shipped, there is no way you can cancel it. Otherwise, it can be cancelled. So all you have to do is cancel it. And in case you would like to cancel your shipping order or shipped order, you can also tap on the headphone-like icon and talk with the customer support. It's highly unlikely that you get to cancel it once it is shipped, but you can give it a try. So this is how you can solve this problem. Hope you found this information helpful.